Hello, Team 360. This is
chocolate muffins.
This is Professor Black Noodle. I gotta address a few things. First of all, welcome to the new graphic video. I know you like the new graphics. I do too. Okay. Anyways, I also wanted to say that I got a new mic, but you can't notice it because obviously it's not hooked up to the phone. And also, Buttermaster is also here, but he's not in the world. He is playing something else, but he'll be here later. Also, welcome to my new Team 360 skin. And the reason why I picked it is because it's so ugly. It's either that or this. So you can go ahead and choose in the comments. Okay? This. Take a better look at it. Or this. And then this is Chris's. Look at that backpack. Or astronaut backpack. Like a boss. Okay. And also this one's pretty cool, but it's not as good. Anyways, let's go ahead and go for the one that is super ugly because who knows? Okay, now I'm going to go over here. We're going to go ahead and chop down all these trees. So, oh, and also, Team 360, if I have an editor, I'll meet you in 1 second. And if I don't have an editor, you're still here, okay? So, yeah. So you might not hear what I'm saying, but you might also. Because when I edit the video, I might cut out this part, but I'm not sure I can. Because, yeah. So, I don't know if you can or not. But, Buttermaster isn't talking right now because he's a jerk.
Why?
Okay, there we go. Sorry, I just had to get you. Go ahead and talk. Chopping down all this wood is so magical. Not really. Okay, I have 64. That's good enough. Let's go ahead and go somewhere. Okay, so I'm gonna go. Oh yeah, this is also to let you know. Why didn't I say this? This is our new Team 360 survival map. So this is the one that I'm waiting to be doing, and I have been trying to do one for a long time, but it didn't. You remember the old one? Well, I'm not doing that anymore because I didn't have any good graphics, and I wanted to have good graphics when I did this. So this is my first time starting up this world, and I just put a random seed in and did it. So I think it's really beautiful. Just so you know, look at this. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful place to spawn. This is nice. I really like this. That's really nice. Oh, I think there's something good up this mountain. Something where I can build a house, chop down some sheep.
Nothing.
Okay, so there's nothing actually really good up in here. Guess not. Oh, perfect. Okay, so I guess our world's gonna be on a mountain, or house, I mean. Oh, pumpkins, cool. Take these pumpkins. Oh, actually, nope, it's not gonna be on a mountain. This is a perfect place right here. I just saw it, okay. Over here. Yeah, it's a pretty good place. Let's go over there. Wait. Okay, no, never mind. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out this out. Whoa. Slow down. check this out. Oh, perfect. Yes. Okay, so our house is gonna be down there. And we can walk up to have some water, do whatever. Eat an apple.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Yay! It's a perfect place.
After 2 minutes. I'm just kidding.
Oh my god. Oh yeah. So I'm just gonna build a little hut, and we'll go ahead and improve our house in the next episode. So that will be our main thing for next episode. This house is way too big. I'm gonna have to get some more wood. Oh, this house is terrible. Don't worry, it will be super good when we're done on the second episode. Like, I'm gonna have slabs, stairs, upstairs, do everything. It might be off camera, but but you'll know that. Well, let's see. It might be off camera, but it might not be. I'm not sure. Okay, most of it will be on camera, but some of it won't be off camera. Because the whole episode, that's just gonna be boring when you guys just watch me do this boring stuff, like build and stuff. But yeah. So Chris, are you joining or not?
Yeah, I can't exit my mission. I have to finish it first. I just found that out.
Oh, okay.
Which sucks really bad, so I'm just gonna run through everything.
Just take your disc out. I'm just kidding. Then it won't save, I don't think. I don't know the game, so. Oh, are you serious? Wow, very funny piece of wood. Give me that. Okay, so I'm gonna get this lash tree, and then I think that's enough to make a door and stuff. Now the house is not gonna be too fancy, but I'm gonna add like rooms and stuff. Like, this is gonna be a great series, okay? Everyone, it's gonna be beautiful, beautiful series. And in the meantime, after besides the series, I will be making showcases of worlds. So yeah. And I will be doing vlogs, but not really. They won't be vlogs. And I'm going to make a new website. And I'm going to have Facebook and Twitter. So I just got a whole bunch of new stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and say. So like in the next couple episodes, I'll put like Twitter, Facebook down. All of Team 360 news. And yeah. So let's go ahead and go over here. See, have you ever walked into a newbie where he's actually putting like regular wood instead of planks to build a house? Like, he doesn't know how to craft it. I mean, not to be mean or anything, but I ran into that guy today. Well, it's not a social guy, but you know what I mean. Those kind of people. Voila.
Hey, there's a Pegasus.
Oh god, I would not want to be there. Oh yeah, just enough wood, like a ball. No!
Slobber and slobber. Wow.
No, I'll fix
I
this
tried
later,
to save it, but
now,
no one let me save it.
Yeah, no, that just looks ugly. Sorry, I'm gonna have to change it. Ah, one lash tree. Oh, and I need to get some more food, so. Yeah. Oh, it's about to be nighttime, so I have to get sheep and everything. I did not do the survival right. And I need to get a charger for my computer. Okay, so let's go ahead
have potions that attack for me? That's pretty dumb.
Oh no. Oh no. I need food. Oh no. Food. Food. I need food. Food. No. Oh my god. Well, it's not on hard, it's on normal, so. Oh, and yeah, the name for this survival is, oh god, I hope I don't die. Okay, so this is my last life. So the name for this is the Team 360 Portal Chapters, the survival title name. No! 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 Please don't! Please! Please don't do anything! Don't do this to me! Not now! Not now! Go in the house! Go in the house! Go in the house! Go in the house! I have half a heart. There's zombies, spiders, creepers. Oh my god, Chris, I need your help now. Oh. Going in, going in, going in, going in, going in, going in. Oh my god, why does there have to be a spider right next to my house? You know how fast spiders are. No, no, it's coming this way, it's coming this way, it's coming this way. Is there anything behind me? Okay, good. You don't see me, spider. You don't see me. It's jumping around. It's probably happy that there's no one there. Okay. I'm not here, spider. I swear, if I fall, I'm gonna get so mad. Don't fall. Only go one step at a time. Don't do this right now. No! No! No. Oh! Where's the spider? Oh, I'm screwed. I'm screwed. Get in the house. Get the house. Get the house. Get the house. Skeleton. At the roof later. Oh my god. I'm so scared right now. Okay. That's it for this video, Team 360. Oh my god.
Are you serious?
No, I'm gonna shoot a part 2 in about 2 seconds. Hold on. I'm Team 360. You'll see what happens in the second episode. I'll see you later. Bye.